Want a drone that fits in your backpack but still captures stunning 4K and 8K aerial shots? Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best mini drones of 2025 that deliver big performance in a small package. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 mini drones of 2025 covering product details, customer reviews, and key pros so you can choose the perfect mini drone for photography, videography, or just weekend fun. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia Mini Drone. This professional-grade drone comes with an 8K camera, GPS positioning, FPV transmission, brushless motors, foldable design, and advanced laser obstacle avoidance. Customer reviews. Users love the stability and crisp image quality, saying it's one of the best drones under this price range for aerial videography. Pros: 8K Ultra HD camera, GPS and FPV real-time transmission, laser obstacle avoidance, foldable, travel-friendly design, reliable brushless motors. Number 2. S2's Mini Drone Camera. The S2's Mini Drone offers an 8K HD camera, 25-minute flight time, brushless motors, optical flow positioning, and foldable portability. Customer reviews. Reviewers say it's a great drone for beginners and hobbyists, with easy controls and impressive battery life for its size. Pros: 8K HD camera for sharp footage, 25 minutes of flight time, obstacle avoidance system, compact and foldable, stable flight with optical flow. Number 3. M2 Pro GPS Mini Drone. The M2 Pro is built for both beginners and pros, with its 4K 8K camera, GPS navigation, Wi-Fi FPV live feed, obstacle avoidance, and foldable build. Customer reviews. Customers highlight the smooth GPS tracking and long-range control, saying it feels like flying a premium drone without the high price tag. Pros: 8K 4K HD camera options, GPS positioning system, obstacle avoidance technology, foldable and lightweight. Great price to performance ratio. Number 4. KBDFA A10 Pro Mini Drone. The A10 Pro packs dual HD cameras, FPV live transmission, foldable design, and obstacle avoidance. It's designed for aerial photography at an affordable price. Customer reviews. Many say it's fun to fly, durable, and great for kids or beginners who want to learn drone controls before upgrading. Pros: dual HD cameras, affordable entry-level drone, foldable and portable, built-in FPV feature, obstacle avoidance for safer flights. Number 5. Xiaomi V666 Mini Drone. The Xiaomi V666 is a professional-grade mini drone featuring 8K dual cameras, brushless motors, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and foldable portability. Customer reviews. Users love its smooth flight stability and intelligent features, calling it one of the most well-rounded mini drones in 2025. Pros: 8K dual camera system, intelligent obstacle avoidance, foldable design for travel, brushless motor durability. Great mix of performance and value. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. And there you have it, the top 5 best mini drones of 2025. From the Xiaomi V198 GPS powerhouse, the S2's beginner-friendly flyer, the M2 Pro with GPS precision, the KBDFA A10 Pro for budget users, to the Xiaomi V666 all-round performer, there's a mini drone here for every budget and need. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our tech reviews. Now tell me in the comments, which mini drone would you pick, the pro-level Xiaomi drones or the budget-friendly A10 Pro? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.